Radhe Radhe mere bhaiyo. Today I'm going to solve a new question of LeetCode, that is LeetCode 128, longest consecutive sequence. Okay, so question is, given an unsorted array of integer nums, return the length of the longest consecutive element sequence, right? You must write an algorithm that runs in O of n time. Okay, so as the given array is given, so you have to return the longest consecutive sequence. So what consecutive sequence I will tell you using a test case. Have a look. So is it 0 1 2 3? Okay. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So as it is consecutive, because there is a difference of 1. So if any two numbers there is a difference of 1, means it is a consecutive, right? As you can see, 1 minus 0 1 difference, 2 minus 1 1 difference, 3 minus 2, means every one is difference of 1. So it would be a longest consecutive of length 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 length of consecutive sequence. Okay, so you in an array you have to return the longest consecutive sequence. So as in the given test case, have a look. First at 104 200 13, 104 200 3 1 2. So first you need to check either this is a consecutive sequence or not. Or how can you check whether a number is consecutive or not? Means it should be in some sorted order. If it is misarranged, like 0 3 2 1 4 6, means if it is rearranged, you won't be able to find. If at least if there is a consecutive, after that still you cannot find it, because it is not in sorted order. As you can see, it is in at least 2 or 3 numbers are in consecutive, like 0 1 2 3, but these are not arranged. That's why you won't be able to find. So you need to sort the array. The first thing I would be surely say that I need to sort the array. If I able to sort the array, then I can find the consecutive sequence. So it will take n log n time because of sorting of array. So I need to sort the array so that I can check. So if you sort this array, how it will look like 1 2 3 4 100 and 200. So what is the length of the consecutive sequence here? As you can see, first is 1. So means minimum 1 will be the longest consecutive sequence, because at least one element will be there in the array, right? So 1. Now when it comes to 2, there is a difference of 1. So it would be, for now it is the longest 1 2. Now when it comes to 3, there is a difference of still 1. So it also be a longest consecutive. When it comes to 4, the difference is 1. So it will also be a longest consecutive. For now 1 2 3 4 is longest. But as you can see, when you reaches 200, there is no difference of 1. Means you cannot count 100 in this consecutive sequence, because this will break your rule. So you want to take this element, but still you have got the longest consecutive sequence till now. So length was 4. Now when you comes to 200, so is 200 minus 100 is 1? No, it is not 1. Means it will also be not counted as 1. So what you got after doing this, you got 1 2 3 4 as the longest consecutive sequence. So length 4 you will return as the answer. Now I will take another example. See, 1 0 1 2. 1 0 1 2. So we'll first sort the array. So how it will look like? 0 1 1 2. Now as you can see, 0 minus 1 1, means it would be counted as sequence. So it is length 1. Now when repeating numbers come, you do not need to take both, you need to ignore one. So you will ignore any one. So it would be counted either this 0 1 or either this 0 1. You don't have to include both, because the difference won't be 1. So the length is already 2. When I reaches to 2, there is a difference of 1. So I would also be counted as a, so longest sequence is 0 1 2. So answer you will return 3. So I hope you understand the question. What is longest consecutive sequence? So numbers should be in sequence 1 2 3 4, either 100 100 0 100 0 2, means there should be a difference of 1. Then it would be counted as a longest consecutive sequence. So you return the length of the longest consecutive sequence in the array. So as in the given array, have a look. So this is the array 0 3 7 2 5 8 4 6 0 1. So if you sort this array, it will look like 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so 0 0 again, first you will start from here. So length is 1. Again it comes to 0, so you will ignore the 0 because these are repeating. So 0 1, there is a difference of 1, so we will take 1 2. So there is a length, you have 3 length. Now 3 2 4 3 5 6 6 7 7 all has a difference of 1. So you will take whole, like 4 from this to this. So you have a length of 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So as you can see, 9 length is the answer. So I hope you understand the question. Now I will tell you the intuition. First, I already told you that you have to sort the array. If you sort the array would be in sequence order. And now you can check by whether there is a current minus previous, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. See, what is the length of consecutive sequence here? 1 minus 2, 1 difference you will take. 2 minus 3, difference of 1 you will take. 3 minus 4 you will take. 4 minus 6, 4 minus 5 minus 6. So till now you have a sequence of length 6, right? So when you comes to it, there is not a difference of 1. So you will what? The first length was what? 6. So you will store in a maximum variable, means what maximum length I have got? 6 I have got. Now when I comes to it, it is not equal. So I will length as again I will declare length as 1, because I am starting from now I am starting again from starting only, because now length has already eradicated. So I will start from 1. So 9 minus 8 1, yeah. So length is now 2. 10 minus 9, difference of 1. So length is incremented. 4 5 6 7 all have length difference of 1. So length will be what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So now you got 7 length consecutive sequence. Here you got 6 length. So which is the maximum? 7 length. So you will return this as a maxi. So maxi 7 will be the answer. I hope you understand the question. And intuition, first intuition brute force also, that you have to sort the array and log n. Just sort the array and check the previous one. If there is a difference of 1, means you will take that consecutive sequence, you will keep updating. But I will tell you another approach to solve this. You can use set here, right? Set, what set does? Set stores number in the sorted order, like if 1 3 5 2 4 100 200, right? If you put all these number in the set, how it will look like? It will look like 1 2 3 4 5 100 200. It will also give you as a sorted, like array was giving you this like this. So what you have to do now, you have to take the element, current element, and check from current element. If there is a difference of 1, means you can take this number as a sequence, right? So now I will do the try run. First 1 2 3 4 5. I already told you how to sort the array and do the operation. Now I am telling you how to use set to do this. First, assume this is a set. Okay, assume this is a set. So first I will start from 1, right? So 1 I will take a previous, and now I will take a current. And check both the difference. If it is 1, then I will continue to length. First length will be at most in starting 1, and maximum would be first take int min, means nothing is there in the maximum, right? So first previous was what? -1, and current was also nothing, 0. So if I comes to here, what is means first I will check if we have previous. If do not have previous, then assign the first element as previous. So 1 will be the previous. So for a starting element, I will only declare previous. For next element, I will current. I will check whether previous is -1. No, it is not -1, because I have already assigned 1 as a previous. Now I will check if it is not previous, then what I will do? I will simply check whether current element minus previous is equals to 1. If it is equals to 1, means it is a consecutive sequence. So is 2 minus 1 is difference of 1? Yeah, it is difference of 1. So I will increment length as 2. Now I will also update the maximum as a 2. For now is what? Length max 2. Now I will also declare previous as the current element. Previous as current. So previous will be what? 2, right? And current is now 3. So 3 minus 2, is it equals to 1? Yeah, is it is equals to 1. So I will increment length 3, and also increment maxi as 3. Now previous is now 3. Now when I comes to 4, so as previous was 3 and current is 4. So I will check difference, whether is difference of 1. Yeah, so I'll increment 1 4 and also 4. Now same, previous is now 4, and I am at 5. So 5 minus 4 1. Yeah, I will increment as 1 5 5. So I can see there is a 5 length sequence till now. 1 2 3 4 5. But when I comes to 100, previous was what, 5, and current is what, 100. So is there a difference of 1? So there is not difference of 1. So you want continuing with that length. You have length of what 5. So you cannot continue with 5 length because you have already broken the rule. So I will start length again as 1. So because I am starting as a new sequence trying to, but I have already updated into the max, means maximum till now I have got 5 length. Means if it is maximum at last, it will, I will return. Otherwise if I got something new, I will return those if it is greater than 5. So I have stored in the maximum 5. Now I will go to 100, and previous is what, 5. So is there difference of 1? No. So I will declare previous as 100 and current is now here. Is current minus previous 1? No. So I will again move and current will be go out of bound. So what is the maximum length you got? 5. So you will return 1 2 3 4 5. So I hope you understand now. So what is the summary? First you sort the array, first brute force, and you can do the simple thing which I did in the map. Just take a previous, current, difference. If it is 1, then update the length. Otherwise eradicate the length and declare as 1, and again start from starting, and till the time you keep updating in the maximum, so that you can keep track of the maximum count till you got, right? And second approach, what I told you, to take a set, because set will store in a sorted order, and you can do the same. So it will take n log n time, and it will take O of n spends time and log n because of sorting, right? So now I will write the code. So first declare a set. I have declared now, right? And I will take a previous as -1, and current is nothing for now, and length is what, from starting 1 and maximum till I got 1, right? So what I will do, first I will put all the element into the set. Array is array size I plus plus. Okay, now I will put into the set. So I can put using insert function array of I. Okay, now after putting all the elements, I will iterate into the set auto it set. So it will give you the, so first what, if previous is -1, means this is the first element. You do not have to do anything, just assign it as a it is the value you will got, right? You can also declare int here. So if set is like this 1 2 3 4 5, so it will give you the 1 2 3, like it will iterate like a loop. Otherwise if previous is not -1, means it is not the first element. So I will check if current means it, if it minus previous is equals to 1, means it is a subsequence. So I will increment length and also update into the maxi len and maxi, and I will also assign previous as previous as current, means now the current element will the previous, because I will move further. Otherwise if it is not, means there is no consecutive sequence. So I'll again assign length as 1, means I'm starting from the start, and again previous is equals to current, means previous is equals to current is doing in every step. So this is the code. So I hope you understand the question what I told you. I sort the array, the first approach, and take previous and current. Now second approach was set. You can simply compare with the previous element. If it is difference of 1, then it will be it can be a sequence. You will keep incrementing those length and updating those in a maximum, so that you can keep track of the maximum length you got till now. So I hope you understand the question. I will be attaching the code link into the description. So I will be meeting in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Sri Ram.